The last class we are discussing about the joining thousands. So many problems we are doing the patterns, then some word problems. Then the another section of this chapter. Find the sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. What is the consecutive numbers? Nearest numbers. Then here we want to find out the sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. The consecutive numbers means what are? Nearest numbers. Then we are doing the sum. How to find out the sum? Doing the addition. Then the first question answer is 1 to 10. 1 to 10. You count the numbers. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus, 7 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus, 10. This is the first 10 consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. Then we will find out the answer. Add these all numbers. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 10, what is the answer? 55. Then we find out sum of the consecutive numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, this is the direct method. How to do this problem in the shortcut method? Shortcut method, one equation. Sum of the first 10 consecutive numbers equal to sum of the first 10 consecutive numbers equal to first number plus last number into 5. What is the shortcut method? First number plus last number into 5. Do you know the table 5? All of you know. I think all of you know the table 5. Which is the first number? 1 is the first number. Which is the last number? 10 is the last number. This is the direct method. Add these 10 numbers. This is the shortcut method. The equation is first number plus last number into 5. First number what? 1 plus last number 10 into 5. What is 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1, 11 into 5. What is 11 into 5? 11 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. What is the answer? 55. We will get this answer also. 55. This answer also 55. This answer also what? 55. This is the direct method. This is the shortcut method. Is find out the sum of the first 10 consecutive numbers equal to first number plus last number into 5. Okay. Then look at the second question. What is the second question? Is the second question. What is the sum of 10 consecutive numbers from 41? From 41 means 41 to 50. Then what is the number? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. These are the numbers. Then add these 10 numbers out to get a 41 plus 42 plus 43 plus 44 plus 45 plus 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50. Then you are using the shortcut method. How to write the shortcut method? First number plus what is the numbers? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Then add these 10 numbers. You add it, take your rough book and add it these 10 numbers. We are using the shortcut method only here. Then what is the first number is 41. The last number is 50. So we are right 41 plus 50 into 5. 41 plus 50. What is the answer? 1 plus 0? 1. 9 plus 4. 5 plus 4? 9. What is the answer? 91. So 91 into 5. We are doing 91 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 9 5s are what? 5 9s are 45. And we will get the answer is 455. You take your rough book and do this. Add these 10 numbers. The direct method. This is the shortcut method. First number plus last number into 5. 41 plus 50, 91 into 5. What is the answer? 455. Understood? You study this the shortcut method equation. Okay. Then what is one word problem is given here. What is this the word problem? Fifth question. What is this? The bank deposit of Babu, Nafia and Johnny are 1,420 rupees, 1,580 rupees, 1,605 rupees. Sitara's deposit is half the sum of the deposit of Babu and Nafi. This is the first question. Then Babu, Nafia and Johnny's deposit amount are even. But Sitara's deposit amount is not given. But one hint is given. What is how to find out the Sitara's deposit? Sitara's deposit is half the sum of the deposits of Babu and Nafia. Okay, next step. Bindu's. Bindu's deposit is 120 rupees more than the sum of the deposit of Johnny and Nafia. Okay, Bindu's deposit also not given. But one hint is given. More than the sum of Johnny and Nafia more than 120 rupees. Okay. Then now to Tahira. Tahira's deposit, the third person, Tahira. Tahira's deposit is equal to the sum of deposit of Sitara and Bindu. So we need to find out Sitara, Bindu and Tahira's deposit amount. Understood? Then what is the deposit of Tahira? Then Babu. Babu deposit what? 1,420. Then next Nafia. Nafia deposit is what? 1,006. 1,580. Johnny's deposit what? 1,605. We need to find out Sitara's deposit. How to find out Sitara's deposit? Sum of Johnny, sum of Babu and Nafia. Half of the sum of Babu and Nafia. Then first you find out the amount deposit of Babu and Nafia. Then you find out half of that sum. Okay, then what? Babu 1,420 plus Nafia 1,580. Add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is the carryover. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3,000. Sitara's amount is half of 3,000. Half of the sum of Babu and Nafia. Half of the 3,000 is what? 1,500. So we will get Sitara amount is what? 1,500. Understood? Sitara's amount is 1,500. Sitara's amount is Babu, half of the sum of Babu and Nafia. Babu and Nafia deposit total sum is 3,000. Half of the sum is 1,500. Okay, next we are find out the Bindu's. Bindu. What is? The Bindu's deposit is 120 rupees more than the sum of the deposit of Johnny and Nafia. Bindu. Johnny and Nafia. What is 1,580 plus 1,605. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 5, 11. What is the carryover? 3. What is the answer? 3,184. You look at the question. Deposit is 120 rupees more than the sum of the deposit. 120 rupees more than. More than is given, you do the addition. 120 rupees more than the deposits. So add 120 also. Then 5, 10. What is the carryover? 3, 3. Then what is the answer? 3,305. Bindu. Bindu is what? 3,305. 3,305. Understood. Then what is the next one? What is Tahira's deposit? Tahira deposit is equal to the sum of the deposit of Sitara and Bindu. Tahira. Sitara and Bindu. Sitara what? 1,500. Bindu 3,305. Add these numbers. This sum is equal to Tahira's amount. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Then Tahira's deposit is what? Tahira 4,805. Understood how to find it. But in this question, Babu, Nafia, Joni deposit only given. Then we need to find out Sitara, Bindu and Tahira's deposits. Okay children, in this type of question, you read the question carefully and write the answer. Okay. Okay children, now we are discussing the large and small. We already studied the largest 2-digit number, largest 1-digit number, largest 3-digit, smallest 3-digit, largest 4-digit, smallest 4-digit. Everything we learned the last class. The previous chapters we learned that. Then in this problem, find out the sum of the largest and the smallest numbers. Okay. Then what is the first question? The sum of the largest 3-digit number and the largest 2-digit number. Largest 3-digit and largest 2-digit numbers. What is the largest 3-digit number? 9,999. What is the largest 2-digit number? 99. Then add these two numbers. 999 plus 99. Add this number. 9 plus 9, what is the answer? 18. What is the carryover? 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. What is the carryover? 9 plus 1, 10. Then what is the sum of this number? 999 plus 99 equal to 1098. This is the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the largest 2-digit number. Understood? Then what is the next one? The sum of the largest 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit. We already learned the first one. Largest 2-digit. What is 99? Then the smallest 2-digit. Smallest 2-digit. 10. Then what is 99 plus 10? 99 plus 10. What is the answer? 99 plus 10. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then what is the answer? 109. This is the largest sum of the largest 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. 109. Understood? So you should study the largest and the smallest 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit number that we learned the first chapter. Do you remember? Okay children. Then the third one. The sum of the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit. It's the largest 4-digit. 9,999. Smallest 4-digit what? 1,000. Then add these two numbers. The largest 4-digit number is 999. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 9999 plus 1000. What is the answer? 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then what is the answer? His answer is 10,999. Answer is 10,000. This is the 5-digit number. How to read? First 2-digit with 1000, then read the 3-digit number. 10,999. This is the sum of the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, children, so many examples given your textbook. You do it that questions. Okay, children, today's class is over. Then we will catch up later. Bye.